Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you how to crochet this star tea light holder. So to make this I have used single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet and double triple crochet and made 5 points for the star. And this tea light which I have used, it is 1.5 in diameter. You can use this in number of ways for your crochet decoration. So before we start to crochet this star tea light holder, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to make this holder. To make this I'm going to use this thread from this brand. To make the borders I am going to use this 2 embroidery thread. So you can use any thread of your choice. Here I have this embroidery thread, so I am going to use this thread. For the embroidery thread I am going to use crochet hook of size 2.0 mm, and for this size 3 thread I am going to use crochet hook of size 2.5 mm. You will need one tea light. This is 1.5 in diameter, one stitch marker, needle and scissor. So take your thread and make a ring. Here I am going to use a magic ring. So once you have a ring, in this ring we are going to make 10 double crochet stitches. So take your hook into that ring, grab and pull the thread, pull from first to loop, then next to loop. So this is our first double crochet. Then into that ring make second double crochet, so 2. So like this you need to make total 10 double crochet stitches. So after 10 double crochets, now just pull this loose end of the ring to close. Top of first double crochet, here make one slip stitch and complete round number 1. Now in round number 2 make chain 3. This is our first double crochet. Then in same stitch make one double crochet, so 2 double crochets. Now work in next double crochet, top of that make 2 double crochet, then work on top of next double crochet and make 2 double crochet, so like this you need to make 2 double crochets in top of remaining stitches and work till your last stitch, so 20 double crochets. Now top of starting chain 3, top of that make one slip stitch and complete round number 2. Now in round number 3 again make chain 3. This is our first double crochet. Now in same stitch make one double crochet, so we have 2 double crochets. Now top of next stitch make one double crochet, then work on next stitch, make 2 double crochet, then in next stitch make one double crochet. So like this repeat these stitches, make 2 double crochet, then 1 2 1, like this repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch, so 30 double crochets. Again on top of starting chain 3, top of that make one slip stitch So round number 3 is done. Now we are going to make this base. To make this, I am going to use back post double crochet stitch. So first make chain 1. Now to make the back post double crochet, grab the thread. Now insert your hook from back to front like this and take out above this double crochet stitch and take out to the other side. So by that this double crochet will come at the back side like this. Now grab and pull the thread, pull from under that stitch. Now make 1 double crochet. So this is our first back post double crochet. Again grab the thread. So this is our next double crochet. Insert your hook from back to front. Now take your hook above this double crochet like this, take out to the back side. So you can see this double crochet will come at back side, and grab and pull the thread under that stitch. This, now you will have 3 loop. Grab the thread, pull from next 2, then next 2. So like this we made our second back post double crochet. Then work on third stitch, insert your hook from back to front, then take your hook above that double crochet and take out at the back side. In grab and pull the thread, pull from next 2, then next 2. So this is our third back post double crochet. Like this we need to make 1 back post double crochet and work till your last stitch. Now when you reach to the starting stitch, top of that make 1 slip stitch. So our round number 4 is done and we have 30 stitches. Now in round number 5 make chain 2. This is our first half double crochet. Then grab the thread, take your hook on top of next stitch, grab and pull the thread. You will have 3 loop on your hook. Now grab and pull from all 3 loop to make the half double crochet stitch. So this is our second half double crochet. Then work on next stitch, make 1 half double crochet, then on next 1. So like this make 1 half double crochet on top of each stitch and work till your last stitch. So at the end of round number 5 you will have 30 stitches. When you reach to the starting chain 2, top of that make 1 slip stitch. Now pull this thread and cut with some margin. So we made this base, just place this side. So like this we made this holder. If you are using a different size of this tea light, so you just need to make this base little bit longer, so here I used 30 stitches, but if you're using some different size of the tea light, so you just increase these stitches and make this base little bit longer, then make this back post double crochet stitches to make this holder. Now we are going to make this 6 points for the star. This is our third row stitches, so top of any stitch just attach this thread. Now insert your hook from this side, not from this side. Take your hook here, grab and pull the thread. Now make chain 12. After chain 12, skip your 12th and 11th chain. So skip this 2 starting chain stitches and work from 10th chain. So work from 3rd stitch from your hook. Here make 1 single crochet, then in next stitch make 1 half double crochet, then in next stitch make 1 double crochet, then in next stitch make 1 extended double crochet. So to do that, grab the thread, take your hook into the chain, grab and pull the thread. So you will have 3 loops. Now grab the thread, pull from first loop. Now again you will have 3 loops. Grab the thread, pull from next 2 loop, then next 2 loop. So this is our 1 extended double crochet stitch. Now in next 1, 2, 3 and 4 stitches we are going to make 1 triple crochet stitch. So to make the triple crochet, grab the thread 2 times like this. Now insert your hook into the next chain stitch, grab and pull the thread. You will have 4 loops on your hook. Now grab the thread, pull from first 2 loop, then next 2 loop, then next 2 loop. So this is our first triple crochet stitch. Like this you need to make 3 more, 1, 2 and 3 stitches. So total 4 triple crochet stitch. Now in next 2 stitch we are going to make 1 double triple crochet stitch. So to make the double triple, grab the thread 3 times. So you will have 4 loop on your hook like this. Now take your hook in next stitch, grab and pull the thread. Now you will have 5 loop. Grab the thread, pull from next 2 loop, then next 2 loop, then next 2 loop, then last 2 loop. So this is our double triple crochet stitch. Then in last stitch again make 1 double triple, so we made 1 pointer. Count 4 stitch, 1, 2, 3 and on 4th stitch here make 1 slip stitch. We have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches in 1 point of this star. So 5, 5, 5. So total 6 points we are going to make. So under 1 point we have 5 stitches. Then make 1 slip stitch on next stitch. Then make chain 12. After chain 12, again skip first 2 stitches, work from third stitch. Here make 1 single crochet, then in next stitch 1 half double crochet, then in next stitch 1 double crochet, then in next stitch 1 extended double crochet, then in next 4 stitches make 1 triple crochet, then in next 2 stitches make 1 double triple crochet, now count 4 stitches, so 1 2 3 and 4. So on 4th stitch make 1 slip stitch. So like this we have made our second point of this star. So like now make this slip stitch on next stitch and again repeat these stitches, make chain 12, work from third chain stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 extended double crochet, then in next 4 stitch make 1 triple crochet, then on last 2 stitch make 1 double triple crochet, then count 4 stitches and on 4th stitch make 1 slip stitch. Like this repeat these stitches and make total 6 points. So I will finish remaining point of this star. So I made my all 6 points. Now next stitch make 1 slip stitch, just pull the thread and cut with some extra margin. Now we are going to make the border with embroidery thread. So here I am going to use this green colored thread, and for this thread I am going to use crochet hook of size 2.0 mm. So here at the center of between 2 points attach this thread. Chain 1. Now you can see these points here. So we are going to work on this stitches and make 1 single crochets in next 10 stitch. So take a hook to this first stitch, make 1 single crochet, then in next 1, next 1. So like this total 10 single crochet stitches. So 10 single crochets we made one side. Now we come to the tip. So here make 1 single crochet, chain 2, then 1 single crochet in same space. Yes, now we have to the left side we have 10 stitches, so in each of this stitch make 1 single crochet. So 10 single crochets in between 2 points. Again here make 1 slip stitch. So like this you need to work on each point and make the borders. 10 single crochets one side, then on top make 1 single crochet, chain 2 and 1 single crochet. Then to the left side make 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches, and at the center in between 2 points make 1 slip stitch. So like this work in remaining points to make the border. I made this border. Now we are going to make the border for the top. So attach the thread top of any stitch. Chain 1. Now top of each half double crochet we are going to make 1 half double crochet. One. Now next stitch make 1 half double crochet, 2, 3. So like this make 1 half double crochet top of each stitch and complete this round. If you want you can use this star tea light holder like this also. Here I am going to make this outer border with second embroidery thread with reverse single crochet stitches. So attach the thread and slip stitch in between these 2 points. Now to make the reverse single crochets, we are going to work in this back loop of these stitches from left to right. So take a hook, so take the back loop of the next stitch to the right side. Now grab and pull the thread. So when you pull the thread, the first loop will come from this thread and the second loop was already on a hook. Now grab, pull from this two loop. So this is our first reverse single crochet stitch. Again work in back loop of next stitch. Here grab and pull the thread. So again you will have two loops, first loop from this thread and second loop was from previous stitch. Now grab, pull from next two loop. So this is our second reverse single crochet stitch. So like this you need to make total 11 reverse single crochet stitch. So 11 reverse single crochet. Again we reach to this step. Here make chain 3, then work to the other side and in next 11 stitches work in back loop and make 1 reverse single crochet. Like this we have made the reverse single crochets to make the outer border. Now when you come to this center, again skip this slip stitch and work directly to the first stitch to this side and make 1 reverse single crochet. So like this work in each points, make 1 reverse single crochet. When you reach to the top, make chain 3, then 1 reverse single crochet, skip slip stitch and work to the very first stitch to this side and work all these stitches in back loop of this stitch to make this border. So I will finish all my 5 pointers. So this is done. Now we are going to make this slip stitches around this base. So here you can see this is the stitches where we have made our back post double crochet. So around this base we are going to make the slip stitch. So insert your hook to that stitch. Here I made 2 layers of this embroidery thread to give the thickness. Now grab and pull the thread. Now take your hook. So this is the stitch. So insert your hook here. The next stitch. Now this thread is this side. So grab and pull the thread. Now pull from this loop to make a slip stitch like this. Now take your hook again to that next stitch. Now grab and pull the thread, make one slip stitch, then on next stitch. So we have total 30 stitches at the base, so total 30 slip stitches we are going to make around this base. So this tea light holder is done. I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.